Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here, and I'm just doing a little neatening up in my small garage. And this is a company that I've bought some straps from. This is actually what they call just a 1 pound assortment bag. I think that's what it was. And I got three of them, so this is what's left of 3 pounds that I got. And it's all just like leftover lengths of strap, bigger, smaller, whatever. And I use them for a little project. This bit of carpet remnant has been bugging me because it's been on the floor of my garage for, oh, I don't want to tell you how long, more than a couple of years. And I just got a bug to clean up. So I'm using this strapping to hold it up. It's extra in case there's ever damage to any of the carpet we had done a couple of years ago. It might be 3 years by now. Anyway, I wanted to save it, but I didn't want it on the floor of the garage. So there, I went through all the paracord that I had, so I used some clothesline up there, but I went through 3 times, so it's pretty strong. And like I said, that little piece of carpet only weighs 5 pounds. So that's a sample of what you can do with strapping from Strapworks. They've got it on Amazon, and I'll put a link below. And there's another piece of strapping that they use for something that's heavier. That's half of a artificial Christmas tree that 11 and a half months out of the year just sits in the garage, and then it goes up for 2 weeks. So that's been bugging me too. So now it's up in the air, and I've got that. I used a pulley system to pull it up there, and then I also have got it backed up because it's heavier. I've got that backed up with some extra piece of strapping that goes to a screw eye that's in a stud in the ceiling. So anyway, there you go. Little uses for straps. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell for notifications. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. There you go, just in case you missed it. Those are the folks you want to go to. They have everything under the sun as far as straps, cord, rope, you name it. Hardware. Okay, bye-bye.